How to keep iPhone screen on? To keep your iPhone screen on is by disabling auto lock feature. This will prevent your iPhone from automatically turning off after a certain period of inactivity. Here's how to disable auto lock. First, open your iPhone settings and scroll down to find the display and brightness option. Tap on it. On the new screen, you will see the auto lock option. Tap on it, and it will show you a list of time intervals ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. To disable auto lock, choose the never option, and your iPhone screen will remain on until you manually turn it off. That's how you keep your iPhone screen on. But remember to turn off these settings once you are done to save battery life. Thanks for watching.